guys, and welcome back to my channel, Remote Work from Home. You guys may have noticed that I have not been uploading for a few days now. It is because I have been down with the flu, but I'm getting better. So today what I am going to show you guys is a way to make money on YouTube by uploading sleep music or meditation music, relaxing music, and it will be surprising, but that is a topic that people do search a lot for. So as you can see, I have typed here sleep music, and here it shows a couple. They are live at the moment. Let me just go ahead and click on this one. Okay, so on here you can see that there are about 4,000 people watching right now. It is relaxing music, stress relief music, sleep music, meditation, music to calm yourself down. Let's take a look at the social blade for this channel. So on this, you could see here that this channel makes up to 43,000 estimated monthly, and that is wonderful. That is wonderful. So let's take a look at this channel right here. Okay, got it. Okay, so for this channel, this music, they do say it's relaxing music for the healing of stress, anxiety, rage, sadness, and so on. This channel has, or this video has, over 1 million views in about 8 months. We could take a look here. The estimated monthly amount is up to 7,000. However, the social blade, they do show an estimated monthly. However, people do tend, or channels do tend to make much more than the estimated monthly amount. So ways you could go ahead and get some of this music, whether it is sleep music, relaxing, meditation. Either you could go ahead, if you are a musician, and make your own music, or here you could go online and search for free music. Here you can go ahead and download. There are a ton here, or if you'd like, there's those sites. Just let's see, take a look at Fever, where they do sell meditation music, sleep music, whatever you are looking for. You can just go ahead and type it on here, and they sell it up. Let's see here, $5, $20, and you could go ahead and choose what works for you. So this is one of the ways that you guys can make money online using YouTube. And if in any way you guys would need any assistance when it comes to monetization of your channel, feel free to reach out to me. I will be more than happy to assist you with that. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and as we continue to provide you with more opportunities to make a little money. Do have yourself a great day.